Have you ever struggled with a stubborn screw that just would not budge, no matter how hard you tried? Or maybe you have spent hours on a DIY project wishing there was a tool to make it faster and easier. Well, there is a game changer in the world of DIY, the impact driver. This compact powerhouse is transforming how we tackle home projects, and today, we are diving deep into why it is a must-have for every DIY enthusiast. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where we explore the tools, gadgets, and objects that shape our lives. Today, we are focusing on the impact driver, a tool that has become a staple in workshops and home toolkits alike. From its origins to its modern-day innovations, we will uncover why this tool is so essential for DIY projects. Whether you are building furniture, installing shelves, or crafting a backyard deck, the impact driver is your secret weapon. So let us get started and discover what makes this tool so special. The impact driver story begins in the early 20th century, rooted in the need for more efficient tools in industrial settings. Early mechanics and builders relied on manual screwdrivers, which were slow and physically demanding. In the 1930s, the first power drills emerged, but they lacked the torque needed for heavy-duty tasks. Enter the impact driver, which was designed to combine rotational force with concussive blows, delivering unmatched power in a compact form. The earliest models were pneumatic, used in automotive and construction industries, where high torque fastening was critical. These tools were bulky and tethered to air compressors, but they laid the groundwork for the portable electric impact drivers we know today. Fast forward to the late 20th century, and the impact driver underwent a massive transformation. The introduction of cordless, battery-powered models in the 1990s revolutionized the tool's accessibility. Brands like Makita, DeWalt, and Milwaukee led the charge, incorporating lithium-ion batteries for longer runtime and lighter weight. Modern impact drivers now boast brushless motors, which increase efficiency and durability while reducing heat buildup. Some models even feature smart technology, like Bluetooth connectivity to track usage or adjustable torque settings for precision. Today's impact drivers are not just for professionals. They are user-friendly, affordable, and perfect for dyers tackling everything from furniture assembly to outdoor builds. The impact driver is more than a tool. It is a symbol of empowerment in the DIY community. It has democratized home improvement, enabling people with little experience to take on ambitious projects. Online platforms like YouTube and Instagram are filled with creators showcasing impact drivers in action, from crafting custom bookshelves to building tiny homes. This tool has also bridged the gap between professional and amateur builders, fostering a culture of creativity and self-reliance. In a world where sustainability and personalization are valued, the impact driver helps people repurpose materials, upcycle furniture, and bring their visions to life. Did you know that impact drivers are not just for screws? They can also drive bolts and nuts, making them versatile for automotive and mechanical projects. Unlike traditional drills, impact drivers deliver up to 3 times the torque, yet they are less likely to strip screws or damage materials. Another surprising fact: the concussive action of an impact driver mimics the motion of a hammer striking an anvil, which is why it feels so effortless to use. And here is a fun tidbit. Some professional contractors swear by impact drivers, so much that they carry multiple batteries to ensure they never run out of power mid-project. The impact driver is a true unsung hero in the world of DIY. Its origins in industrial workshops, its evolution into a cordless powerhouse, and its cultural impact have made it an indispensable tool for creators and builders. Whether you are a seasoned dyer or just starting out, an impact driver can save you time, effort, and frustration while unlocking endless possibilities for your projects. So, the next time you are planning a home improvement task, reach for an impact driver and experience the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. Have an impact driver story or a project you are proud of? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear about it. And do not forget to subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the tools and objects that make life better. Thanks for watching Objectified, where we celebrate the tools that shape our world. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, and keep exploring. See you in the next video.